Bernie Sanders is still a hot ticket on campus, popular with this crowd at the University of Toronto, just as he was with U.S. students during his presidential run.
Real change always happens from the bottom on up.
He calls this visit a fact-finding mission to learn more about Canada's health system. He toured 3 different hospitals, meeting patients fully covered by Medicare.
So I came in on Tuesday, and by then we determined that I also needed a double bypass.
Including one recovering from heart surgery.
The issue that has got to be studied is how does it happen that here in Canada they provide quality health care to all people, and I don't think there is any debate that the quality of care here is as good or better than in the United States, and they do it for half the cost.
Dr. Danielle Martin played tour guide for the senator and his team. She's a founder of Canadian Doctors for Medicare and a fierce proponent of public health care. Her back and forth with a U.S. senator in 2014 went viral.
How many Canadian patients on a waiting list die each year? Do you know?
I don't, sir, but I know that there are 45,000 in America who die waiting because they don't have insurance at all.
Martin acknowledges the Canadian system has its flaws. Bernie Sanders wants to address some of them in his plan for health care in the U.S. It includes free prescriptions, dental and eye care. Sanders' ideas resonate with this audience. Ontario Premier Kathleen Wynne introduced him. Her government is bringing in prescription drug coverage for everyone under 25.
The senator encourages us to think bold. He pushes us to think about bold steps that we can take to build the kind of world that we want to live in.
New federal NDP leader Jagmeet Singh was also there. Like Sanders, he'll also be pushing for prescription drugs to be fully funded by the government. But across the border, the Canadian system is sometimes mocked.
Well, we don't want the socialized health care they have in Canada. We want American solutions.
And if you ever notice, the Canadians, when they need a big operation, when something happens, they come into the United States in many cases because their system is so slow. It's catastrophic in certain ways.
President Trump got elected on a platform promising to get rid of what little Medicare there is in the U.S., and that's still the goal for his administration. So for all of Bernie Sanders' popularity here in Toronto this weekend, his dream of fully funded health care still seems unlikely in today's political reality. Lorenda Redekop, CBC News, Toronto.